appreciate you this weekend, player. Thank you. What up, baby? All good. What you need, baby? What you need tonight? Where you go? You just roaming right now?
Yeah, I was just meeting up with NEYO and them, but they was taking too long.
All right, so look, he ready to give it to you. I'm ready to go find a table for y'all for right now. But right now, he ready to set the bottle up for y'all right there. If you need anything, I'm gonna be roaming and I'll come and make sure y'all all right.
Listen where I'm coming from. I want to get the money right now. They're willing to do upgrade. I upgraded them to 7,000 plus for that front stage, right? But Adrian Broner's on that front stage.
Where y'all gonna put AB?
Behind a cluster, like
there it is. Leave it alone. I got it. Leave it alone. So what? Leave it alone. I got it, my nigga.
This guy that bought the big table on the floor, he said it's 30K all in.
All right, come on. Come on, man. How you, brother? How you? You good?
You good, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Bad. Another situation.
Let me deal with this one first.
Yeah, no, that's all you.
30 all in. That's my bad. My bad. That's my bad.
All right.
Hey. It's 50 people though. It's real simple. The one that Greg is trying to put on in the front. Put them right here. Put them right here. Just hold them right there. So we at least have a table. Who's walking this 50 people? Ooh, shit. Come on, who walking the 50 people? All they gonna do is just walk as they great. Follow him. Let's get it.
How many people?
It's 50. He great. So no. You gonna show me who they are? Let's go.
Hey, Steve-O, come here, Steve-O.
One.
No, Steve-O, you come here. He gonna pick for me. He gonna do it.
50 people.
All right. Well, okay. Well, It's 50 people. Let's go over here and pay for this. I got that. Let me come back over here. Let's go and clear this up first. Let's go and clear this up first. Let's go, and then I'm gonna deal with that. I already gave him 3 more. I gotta deal with my man Ty right. No, man. What? Get everybody else out the line then. I'm gonna do the 3, but get everybody else out the line. What 3 you want? What 3 you want, man? Let me get them 3. Everybody else stay on their own. These 3. This 3 is 3. There it is. Yo, Shane. After Twan, hold that. Hold up, Jermaine. Hold on. Listen. John, how many? You gotta show me who. Somebody gotta be the last one.
I got the last person.
All right, Neef, stay right there, Neef. You need anything? What you need?
I need some coffee.
Huh?
Somewhere to just get them to.
You want me? You want to go? I can put you in the skybox. You want to go up there? He ready to play this song for NEYO. It's too late because he got the bottles out, but he ready to play the song. And then when the bottles come out to my table, I know what you say, happy birthday, Gamma. That nigga pull up, man. Goddamn.
Get in heels where I pose. I start my day slow. Sip pajamas when I wake up.
That's the kind of girl I need. Happy birthday, my nigga, be real shit. The fuck was you pull out, man? Moving by myself.